Champlain, get out of the water and move indoors or inside a vehicle. Remember, lightning can strike out to 10 miles from the current thunderstorm. You are close. National Weather Service in Burlington has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for northeastern Lamoille County in northwestern Vermont, southwestern Orleans County in northeastern Vermont, northwestern Caledonia County in northeastern Vermont until 6 p.m. At 5:07 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located near Belvedere Center, moving east at 25 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, entries. Locations impacted include Johnson, Eden, Craftsbury, Iresburg, Glover, Lowell, Greensboro, Martin, Albany, Belvedere Center, Greensboro Bend, Albany Center, Crystal Lake State Park, North Wolcott, Green River Reservoir, East Johnson, East Albany, Trompt Point, Garfield and East Greensboro. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Torrential rainfall is occurring with this storm and may lead to flash flooding. Do not drive your vehicle through flooded roadways. Here is the